Felicity Hayward was born in Suffolk, England on August 2, 1988. London-based plus-size model who's appeared in esteemed publications such as Vogue, Glamour, ID, Sean, Pony Step and Numero. She became the first-ever Curve ambassador and stylist for ASOS. She's a well-known plus-size model much like Denise Biddet. She worked in various nightclubs where she was first scouted to model for photographer Miles Aldridge. She started her career with Storm Management. She also has a position among the list of most popular models. Felicity Hayward is one of the famous people in our database with the age of 31 years old. According to Wikipedia, Forbes, IMDb and various online resources, the famous model Felicity Hayward's net worth is $15 million at the age of 31 years old. She earned the money being a professional model.